Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about how to compress video files without losing its quality. We compress large video files into smaller files and it will still maintain the initial quality. So I know you guys will love to see how we are going to do this, so stick to the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So let's dive into the video. So we're gonna go to Google Play and search for Video Compressor Panda. I'll be leaving the link to the app in my description, so you can check so that you can get the app using the link in my description. Video Compressor Panda. Okay, so this is the app. I've already installed the app in my phone, so let's go ahead and open the app. So you just have to read all this, then click on the allow. So yeah, this is it. So once you do that, it automatically load your video files you have in your phone. So I want to compress a video with a large size to a smaller one. Okay, I have a video file of 420 MB. So you just click on it, then click on next. So just always set it as medium. So click on medium and then click on the compress. So you see what is written there. Panda is squeezing your file, so you just have to wait for a while for your video to be compressed by the Panda. I'll just have to fast forward this, but it will take like, depending on the file, but this should take like 2 to 3 minutes to compress. Yes, as you can see, our video has been compressed from 120 MB to 10 MB. Let me show you. This is the original 120. Wow, it has been compressed to 10 MB. This is the compressed version, compressed video. Wow, this is so amazing. So what you will be shocked when I'll show you the video quality. You'll see that the video quality is almost the same. So you have to click on the save at the top right corner. Let me show you. You have to click on this. You have to click on the save here. Yeah, let's click on the save there. So let's go and click so you can get the videos direct to our phone storage. Click on OK. You can read the app. So save is done. So I've already saved the video. So let's get to my gallery. This is the compressed video. Compressed video is about, let's check my details. It's about 10.52 MB. So this app works like magic. So if you love the video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, can comment on the comment section. I'll keep dropping quality video content. Thank you.